Southwestern Ontario is home to a countless array of bird species. But perhaps none are as rare, unique, and magnificent as the peregrine falcon, nature's ambassadors. Peregrine falcon, Falco peregrinus. Many now live in cities, nesting on bridges and tall buildings. Peregrine females are up to 30% larger than males. In the 1970s, use of pesticides helped wipe out the species population. They are now on the endangered species list. Falcons prey chiefly on smaller birds. Populations are now being reintroduced in parts of their former habitat. Peregrines are now seen year-round, on 5 continents. Ironic that a creature so fragile and vulnerable would make its home directly under North America's busiest border crossing. The peregrine falcon, proof that although seemingly fragile, nature will always endure over the impact of man.